welcome to the free class. So this is an intro of what you are about to learn. Now, number one, we're going to answer the five foundational questions. All right, you will answer what is Forex, opening, closing time. We'll talk about why Forex, why do you even want to trade? Because if you don't know the purpose of a thing, stand a chance of misusing it. We'll talk about trading, the different markets that are being traded. We'll talk about currency pairs, right? Then we'll talk about participants of the market, and then last but not the least, we'll talk about trading sections before we'll now discuss how to take a trade via your MetaTrader 5, and then you will now decide if you want to come on board via mentorship or you just want to access the platform where you can get signals for free. What is Forex? It's a short form for foreign exchange, or what you call acronym for foreign exchange. It is the global marketplace where currencies are traded. It is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. So the market opens on Sunday 5 p.m. EST and then closes Friday 5 p.m. EST. In a day, the market trades over $7.5 trillion. Number two, why Forex? Why do you even want to trade? This question must be answered. If you don't know the reason why you are doing a thing, I keep saying this, you will definitely misuse that particular thing. So you must know the reason why you want to trade. Do you want to have an extra stream of income? Do you want to fund a particular lifestyle? Do you want to build a house? Do you want to run a project? Now, Forex offers you a unique advantage that makes it attractive to millions of traders worldwide. Now, I'm here to give you 4 reasons why you should be trading. 4 basic reasons why you should be trading. Number one, high liquidity. Now, the market is so choked up with $7.5 trillion a day. What this means is that the Forex market is the most liquid market in the world, ensuring easy entry and exit at any time. Number two, why you should be trading is 24-hour access. A particular market that can give you 24-hour access, that is a huge opportunity. Trading 24 hours a day, 5 days a week across different time zones from Sydney to Tokyo to London to New York. All right, so 24 hours. The third reason why you should be trading is that it gives you room to profit in both directions. Guys, this is amazing. This is superb. In trading Forex, you buy, you make money, you sell, you make money. So profit in both directions, whether you are buying or selling. The last but not the least requirement is low capital requirement. Baba, which market will allow you to fund $10 and then you make $100? That is the reason why you should be trading Forex right now. So yes, now what is traded in the financial market? Very, very important that you know the things that are being traded in the financial market. We'll give you the list of different markets. We have the Forex, which is currencies. Currencies, I'm talking about Euro, United States dollar, Great Britain pound. Now we have stock, equities. We have stock. That's the second type of market. We have commodities. This is where you have your gold, your oil, and all that. We have indices, SP 500 and Nasdaq. This is where it falls in. We have cryptocurrencies where you have your Bitcoin, Ethereum. Number 4, who are the participants of the Forex market? The Forex market is a decentralized global market made up of various participants. Now, below, by the right-hand side, you see that I listed 6 for you: central banks, hedge funds, brokers, commercial banks, corporations, and then we are the retail traders. Imagine a market whereby you are trading along with the bank. You will want to leverage on that particular market. You want to be in that cycle. Now, the last but not the least question to answer: what are the Forex trading sections? It's very, very important that you understand the different trading sections so that you will know when the liquidity is coming and when to leverage on that particular liquidity or volatility and then make money. Right? So the Forex market, yes, is open 24 hours a day and 5 days a week, but you are not trading the whole of the 24 hours. No, sir. 4 major Forex trading sections. I categorically placed it in Nigerian timing so that it will be very easy for us. Now, the Sydney section, it starts from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Just like the name sounds, Sydney. You want to focus on let's say AUD pairs. Any pair that has AUD, this is their time. Sydney section, right? Tokyo section starts from 12 midnight to 9 a.m. All right, you want to focus on Japanese yen, any particular pair that has Japanese yen. All right, now the third section is London section, which starts by 7 a.m. and then ends by 4 p.m. You want to focus on what's it called? You want to focus on pairs that have GBP and euro, because that is the London for you. The last section, the last major section, is the New York section, which is automatically the USD. Now you can see that highest liquidity and volatility are found between the London section and the New York section. So if you are trading the Sydney section and Tokyo section, and then you expect liquidity to be that high, a low, you might as well do miracle in the market, which is not possible. Now, out of these four major sections, the best trading section is what we call the section overlap. The section overlap is defined as a particular section where two trading sections are open at the same time. Overlaps between sections create the highest trading opportunities due to increased liquidity and volatility. Now, for me, the major overlap I leverage on all the time is London and New York, which is from 12 p.m., 12 noon, Nigerian timing, to 4 p.m. Right? There are other overlaps, like the overlap of Tokyo and London, which is 7 a.m. to 9 a.m., and then the overlap of Tokyo and New York. All right? So it is what it is. Now, you would want to write all these things down. You don't want to miss any particular part of this class. I believe for you to get to this part of the class, you've learned a lot. Lots of values, right? So at this point, the ball is in your court. Join the Bitcodemia mentorship program. At this particular point, we are taking, let's say, a certain number of students, but at a minute fee, 50,000 naira, which is not up to $30 or $40. Now, what you get from this particular mentorship, structured Forex mentorship, step by step, all right? It's a one-on-one thing. It's no longer a group thing. So I will create a program for you, step by step. You will work with me. Proven trading strategies. Now you've learned the basics. This time around, we are not going to talk about basics again. We'll talk the raw things. Now, risk management and psychology coaching. Very, very important. I always tell my students that trading is 90% psychological and 10% technical. It just has to do with your mind. If you can find a way to deal with your mind, you always find a way around the market. Now, weekly market breakdowns and guidance, and free access to Bitcodemia trading floor. This is where you meet other traders, and then while you are learning, you get the chance to post your signals or your analysis, and then allow traders criticize your analysis. That is how you know if you are growing. So this is more than training, it's transformation. The ball is in your court right now. Aside this, if you find it difficult that this particular fee is way big for you, it's good and fine. We still have a second option for you. This is a particular place whereby you just have to register with my 10 thread referral link. I will attach it or tag it to this particular video. Register with it. From the back end, I will see your name. All right. So once you're done with the registration, DM me that you are done. All right. DM me you are done with the registration. This will grant you access to only free. It will grant you access to only the Bitcodemia trading floor, where you get signals from people and meet other traders. It will grant you access to trading community support, market discussions, and trading ideas. Learn while you grow. Right? There is no form of mentorship here. You just join the group and then we grow together. Right? So this is for those that probably will not be able to afford 50K. You just use my referral link, register with 10 thread, and tell me you are done, and then you find yourself in the trading platform. Right? Do have a wonderful day and wonderful week, wonderful afternoon ahead. Take care.